Now, one piece of information about the early model Crown Vics before '05 is that it's a little bit challenging to tell the year just by taking a look at them. You can tell the '05 because it will have the antenna on the back. Now, not this particular antenna that you see, because this one is an aftermarket antenna. It came with the vehicle. The previous owner put this on here. However, on the '05, you will have the antenna on the right side right here, and that's how you know it's '05. And of course, on your newer Crown Vics, you'll be able to tell by the dashboard. It'll have the circle clusters, I think, with the tach gauge on the inside, tachometer, however you say that. Yeah, so right now we have the Ford Crown Vic. Now this car has 120,000 miles, just maybe a tad bit over that. So remember, I got it at 103, so I have put about 17,000 miles on the car. So far we have put some brakes on here, well, at least on the front. It's time to do the ones on the back. What else have been done to this car? Oh, I installed the dash cam. Let's see if you guys can see that. Actually blends in pretty well. If you're interested in camera like this, I will leave a link in the description below. Very inexpensive, works very well, plug and play. And it does have one on the rear as well. Just an added feature that I put on the vehicle myself. It's very cool because you can record. You know, of course I do videos or I make YouTube content, so having a camera, you know, helps me capture some of that content. But overall, let me know what you guys think of the Ford Crown Victoria, and if you want to see some more content on this vehicle, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, leave a comment as well. The channel does great when you guys leave comments. Even if you just say you're the first person, second person, third person to leave a comment, you just type that number in or the word in, and there you go. Well, on that, thank you guys for tuning in. I will catch you on the next one. Alright, so we're out here with the Ford Crown Victoria. Just took it through the car wash, so I got to fix this antenna. Alright, so we had a strip on the front when I took it to the car wash. About a week ago, this came off. And you see it's been coming off. So now I gotta get this piece off the car. Bump over these wheels real quick. It is about time to replace these, but hey, they holding up. Going around to the front. Only thing about that tire shine is it gets thrown back up on the body of the car. Got the Goodyear. For the people who are new to the channel, this is a 2003 Ford Crown Victoria. It is the civilian model. So we have the bench seat up front, gray interior, which I'll show you guys that. Now, when I first got this car, it did need a bumper. The back bumper that was on here was damaged right about in here. So I replaced it myself. Luckily the light wasn't damaged or anything like that. Typically I stay away from cars that have damage, but it was just the bumper. It like had a hole right here, big old hole. So I said, well, the light is not messed up, this quarter panel wasn't messed up, the trunk was in good shape. So I said, well, if it's just a bumper, then I'll go ahead and get it. So I bought it. The car only had 103,000 miles, so it was definitely worth putting a bumper on.